Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Ver2 Toys channel. Okay, another round of new arrivals from Kaido House and Mini GT. Back to back, three. This is the third week in a row. Okay, how are you guys following? Okay, so two new Kaido House and four new items from Mini GT, and also another two new releases from American Diorama, which we'll get to in a short while. And so let's get straight to it because the hottest one right now would be the NewCasting from Kaido House, the NSX. Okay, Kaido House number 94. Okay, Honda NSX Evasive version 1 in red. Okay, this would be Kaido House number 94. Okay, so box wise, pretty straightforward. Okay, ooh, sorry, knocked into it. Let's see if I can get this. I'm trying to get the box out so I can show you the interior. Interior. Okay, Kaido House car culture for all scales. Kaido House logo on the other side. Okay, the front part of the car. This one is the back part of the car. Okay, Kaido House logo on the left and right. Underneath, pretty standard. Okay, with the standard blister. All right, for the outer one will be Honda logo on the left, Kaido House logo on the right. Okay. Oh yeah, so they are back to this after the Hornet. After the Hornet, now it's back to this design. Okay, yes, I'm getting tired of this. Okay, the 3D outline. Yes, yes. Yes, Kaido House, well done. Okay, this will be the preferred type of packaging where you can see the actual product in there. Okay, because this would definitely help new collectors especially. So it will help them to decide whether they want to get it or not. So that's the packaging, and this is the car that I have right here in my hands. Check that out. So this, yeah, I would say that this is really impressive. This time, this new casting, after the R33, right? So this will be the next new casting, and just look at it, beautiful paint job. Okay, that candy metallic red. Okay, and it's very low and very wide, this NSX, but proportion wise, actually everything looks pretty impressive. Okay, and of course I need to show you the headlamps, right? Okay, the headlamps, yep, it's up, but actually underneath there's a freaking switch, guys. There's a freaking switch for you to turn off the lamps. Oh, hang on, there. Okay, I think I need to push it down with my hands. I can only push it up with my finger. Pushing it down, yeah, there we go. You gotta switch off the lamps. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Let's switch it back on. Okay, it's just a very small switch. Oh, look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, Honda NSX logo up front, the Honda emblem in the middle, very nice. Carbon fiber weave, okay, VTEC work and Kaido House collaboration. So yes, that's why this rim designs, rim design, right, looks so familiar. It's work, okay, from the brand work. Okay, shrink down to Kaido scale. I won't call this 64 scale. I will call it the Kaido scale. Okay, very deep dish at the back as usual, and normal deep dish in front. Okay, all right. Oh, and I've forgotten to take my blue tag with me. Because why do I need the blue tag? To freaking open the engine cover. Okay, let me see if I can get it out without my tag. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so this one, actually I've already forgotten. Okay, from the photos, from the initial product photos, right, pre-order photos, yeah, it is already shown that, you know, you will be able to open up this hood. Okay, and see the engine details in there. Okay, that's one layer. Okay, let me get the other one, the second layer up. But the second layer down there, right, it's kind of loose, so it is quite challenging. Okay, the second layer is actually quite loose, so once I let go, it's gonna just fall and cover it. Okay, but I want to show you, before it closes in, I want to show you the engine bay. The engine detail here, I think I can say it's again another improvement. There's much more depth to it. It doesn't look so flat. Okay, so this is actually done very, very nicely. Okay, so while looking at the engine, I can see this portion here, the carbon fiber weave again. Well, in 64 scale, it's going to be much, much smaller than this, but still very nicely done, tastefully done. Okay, with the Evasive brand, Evasive Motorsport brand on the spoiler. Okay, very, very fat rear fender. Okay, and a VTEC Evasive brand on the side. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay, see, I let it go and then it will just cover it. Okay, so that part is a little bit loose, and I kind of prefer it closed like that. Alright, so if we do a comparison with the Chase, okay, I do have the Chase version with me as well. Here we go. Raw body with the colored over fenders. So I would make the assumption that these fenders, right, are actually a separate piece, and probably with, you know, what they're doing with the R34, you will start to see you'll start to see variants of the R34 without the crazy white body, right? So I guess this NSX is gonna have that option as well. Okay. Alright, so this is the Chase version. Okay, looks not bad as well. Okay, looks not bad as well. Alright, with that switch. Okay, nice. Nice. As I'm recording this, right, actually the NSX is already sold out. Okay, unfortunately sold out. Yeah, but the rest of them, there are a couple of extras of these available through Collector's Qube. Okay, so do look them up. They're on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. They have their own website as well. Okay. Then okay, so the next one I want to show you would be the R34. So this would be KaidoHouse going into the hundreds. Okay, this is KaidoHouse number 103. This would be the third Nishmo color actually. The first color is in blue, the second color in matte grey, and now in this green. It's version 4. Okay, version 4. Alright, it doesn't say the color, it's just reflected on the box. Okay, okay, number 4. So yeah, I guess it's gonna go well above 200, I guess. Alright, so this would be a new variant color, very, very nice actually, very close to the Millennium Jet colors that we've seen on this R34s. Okay, very nice. This is again a very nice color, and it's pretty much selling like hotcakes as well here in Malaysia. So let me know how is this going, how is the sales, the demand for these are going on in your country. Okay, cool. All right, so that's the number 103, and this would be the Chase version, raw body with the colored fender. Okay, I do quite like the Nishmo decal on the raw body. That is actually very nice. Okay, because probably you guys have already seen the engine bay and stuff, so that's why I'm just doing a speed round. For these ones, I've actually shown you guys a couple of times already, so I may skip because these this video format is more towards a quick a quick walkabout for everything new arrival from MiniGT and KaidoHouse. Okay, so that's the Chase, and the next one that I want to show you would be this guy, MiniGT number 605. Okay, LB Silhouette Works Lamborghini Aventador GT Evo in lime. So same thing same thing about the NSX will be in photos, right? In pre-order photos, it looked very normal, but when it's here, look at that. I guess that is one of the main reasons why this took so long. The pre-order was announced maybe mid of last year, and it was supposed to be released in November. Okay, it was planned to be released in November. Now we are how many months later? December, and now it's already April. 3 months later. 3 months later, it's finally out. Okay, so one thing I want to point out would be the paint. The paint on this thing is crazy nice. Very, very nice. Alright, so definitely worth collecting. Definitely worth collecting. Alright, so this is on the Mini GT number 605. Next, I want to show you would be a NewCasting from their IMSA collaboration. Okay, Acura ARX-06 GTP number 60 2023 IMSA Daytona 24 hours winner. Okay, Meyer Shank Racing. Right, Mini GT number 668. So this is a winner's car. So this was a pre-order that was expected to arrive, I believe, in January, if I recall correctly. There was three cars in this specific pre-order. This Acura, and then there's the Cadillac, and there is also a BMW. Okay, so the other two is not out yet. They released this Acura first. The combination of the white and pink is really very nice. I've not seen the real car before. I've not even seen photos actually. But looking at this thing in my hands right now, right, I can totally imagine the real thing looks majestic. Okay, winning car from last year, IMSA 24 hours last year. Very, very nice. The fin detail done very nicely. It feels very solid, you know. It doesn't feel flimsy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off easily. Okay, everything feels quite solid. Okay, the spoiler at the back as well feels very nice. The details, check out the diffuser underneath. Oh, very, very nice. Alright, the Michelin tire bomb, tire details, number 60, Arctic Wolf. Basically, I would say they've captured all the angles of this prototype car. Right, I think the only thing missing would be, this is actually a separate piece, right? It's a separate piece, but it's printed on it. And oh, okay, I just noticed the openings, okay, on the fender area above the wheels, on the front and back. It's actually cut out. It's actually open. Nice, very nice. This is very nice. Okay, I've got to go and search for the real car photo. I definitely need to look into that. Okay, so this would be the IMSA first release for the, what's this, the IMSA Daytona 24 hours series. Okay, next would be the Honda Civic Type R FL5 in Boost Blue Pearl. Alright, this is Mini GT number 637, new variant. White was first, red, and now the blue. Okay, overall not a bad casting too. Okay, I've done a comparison with Hobby Japan and also Para 64. Okay, I'll put a link in the description below. Cool. Alright, so it's a new color. Okay, and yeah, I already have all of these unboxed, right? One of the main reasons is because I do TikTok live over at Qube, so do give them a follow. And however, this guy is not out yet. Okay, so I'm going to open up this guy for you guys. AC21, accessory number 21 would be the hauler in white. Okay, so yes, we already have the hauler in black. Now it's in white. It works with a few. It works with a few off-road casting from Mini GT with the tow hook. Okay, I'm going to show you that. All right. In the meantime, right, help me to hit the like button because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Right. Okay, so pretty realistic. Okay, it has that ramp so that your cars can actually be loaded, be driven on top of this trailer. Okay, I'm going to show you the packaging a little bit. Okay, so yeah, this is actually a support to make it level. Alright, it has the ramp and it works with selected models, which I have the exact same one here in my hands. And it has the tow hook and there's a place to hook it. Yep, and it works. Okay, alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this right at the back so that I can park the FL5 up there. Cool. Okay, and I'm just going to speed this one up a little bit. American Diorama, okay, 2 new sets, the Metro Girls. Code will be AD2408. generally speaking, it's casual wear ladies, okay? Casual wear ladies, all right? To liven up your display. And we have RWB Legend, okay? We all know who the RWB Legend is. 2 Akira Nakai-san figure. And then there is his, no, I don't think it's the same breed, all right? He does have a dog, a pet dog. I can't remember the dog's name, but he does have a pet dog, but I don't know what breed is it. I think it's a beagle. I think so, but not this. And then there's 2 hot chicks on his left and right. All right, so these are die-cast figures. Okay, there we go. All right, reasonably priced, and most of the time they don't need any support to stand. Okay, all right, so 2 new arrivals from American Diorama. Cool. So that's it for this time around. Do hit the like button because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. And what else? Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. What else? I do have a couple of extras of these. They're available through Collectors Qube. Do look them up. Qube.com on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So that's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.